What is video marketing? Today we're covering the basics and answering what is video marketing and how does it impact your business? Regardless if you're a big business or a small business, if you're a solopreneur or you're a CEO, we're going to show you how video marketing is integral to building your business visibility online. First, we're going to talk about how to open the conversation in a digital environment. Then we'll talk about how to deepen the relationship your customer has with your brand. And then we'll talk about the biggest question of it all: how do we get more customers using video in our digital marketing programs and strategies? Stay tuned to learn these 3 tips and more. When we talk about opening the conversation with our customers, we have to remember that we're creating a space, a place for our people to gather and to connect. It's in those moments of connection, in those moments of engagement, that we're able to step in and open the conversation and direct it in the way that we want it to go, which is conversion and sales. So when we create a space where the language of our community is to engage, is to connect, is to discuss a certain topic, like, for example, if you're a visibility hacker and you're part of our Visibility Hackers Facebook group, which, by the way, is absolutely free. I recommend you guys come on, join me. The links are in the description. But if you're a visibility hacker and you're part of our Facebook group, you know that on a regular basis, we engage on topics of visibility. We talk about video marketing. We talk about live streaming. We talk about podcasting. We talk about all the different ways that you can be visible with your business. And that becomes the space for conversation. That becomes the moment of engagement. From that point, we can then deepen those conversations and ascend our customers from passive viewers into raving fans, or from our casual consumers, those who enjoy our free opt-in content, our free podcasts, those people who are they don't yet have any skin in our game. We convert them from our free listeners into raving fans who are our high ticket clients, those we work one-on-one with, those we have longer lasting, really deep, intimate connections with. The difference is that because we've created a space where that becomes the conversation, the expectation is that there will be something to be sold on the end. Our customers don't get freaked out when we throw them an offer, because they know they're not here buying my friendship. They're here consuming valuable information that's going to help them attain those tangible results that they really, really wanted in their personal life or in their business. So if you're looking for a way to create those deeper connections and you want to know more about how to do that, well, why don't you subscribe to this channel? Because I release videos on an absolutely regular basis, that talk about building your influence, your authority, and your income online. I recommend you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, all that fun stuff, and come along for the journey. Video marketing helps us create a space of connection, not only between our customers and us as the brand or the attractive characters, but it also creates a space where our community can connect to each other. It's kind of like being the teacher at the front of the classroom and handing out assignments for your students to engage with each other on. You're not there for them to always have their eyeballs on you. You also want to create space where your people can start connecting to each other. And video marketing allows us to do that, because what video does is it breaks down that outer barrier, that facade, or that secondary character that our customers are thinking that we are. We're able to shine through with our personalities. We're able to really connect with our people. And when we do that, we're able to deepen that connection that they have, not only to us, but also to each other. Because when we show up and show our vulnerabilities, or we show our authentic selves, whatever you want to call it, buzzwords or not, when we show up in that way, we're able to actually give permission to our people to show up as well. When we create that space, we create a much deeper connection to the brand itself. Our people then start taking on our brand identity as part of their own identity. And that's going to be an incredibly powerful place for you to grow your business. And all it takes is a simple camera and a smile on the other side. Hey, if you're nervous about getting on camera and you're struggling with the idea of implementing video marketing into your visibility plan, well, hey, let me know in the comments below. What is your biggest obstacle? What is stopping you from moving forward and trying it? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section below. All right, now we're going to talk nitty-gritty details, techie stuff for a second. Video marketing is prioritized in a lot of platform algorithms. This means that the platforms are more likely to push your content in front of other people's eyeballs than like blog content or just text content. Video is engaging. It's great content, which creates a lot more, or keeps eyeballs on a platform. So the platform will want to push your content in front of more people, hoping that you will keep eyeballs on their platform. It's that beautiful cycle, right? So the cool thing is, when we create awesome video content, we're not only nurturing our own communities, which is what we've already talked about earlier in this video, but we're also helping to grow our community. We're attracting new people into our world simply by playing into what the algorithm already wants. There are fancy tools that we teach in the visibility hacking world that help you find what people are searching for and how do we get to where our people are. We'll teach you all of that stuff. But for starting out, if you're just starting out with video marketing, then I want you to remember that your message is needed. Not only are you going to nurture the people who you already have in your fan base, who are already in your world, but you're also going to be giving incredible value to people who haven't yet found you. And when they do, they're going to stay and they're going to be part of your community. They're going to be able to be nurtured into your higher ticket offers because you've shown up in a way that is beautiful and authentic. Hey, if you like this and you want more visibility hacking secrets, then I definitely recommend you check the link in the description box below. We have the brand new Visibility Secrets training. It's a really cool vault. You get behind the scenes into the strategies and the frameworks that we use in the visibility hacking movement. And the coolest part is it's absolutely free. So come on over, click the link in the description box below. We would love to see what you do when you increase your visibility and you start showing up for your people in a radically different way.